much for stopping by today. So today I want to talk to you about something that I personally think is important when growing seeds inside, and that is the process of hardening off your seedlings. So I want to share with you my process today of what I do, as well as some of the benefits that I think when it comes to hardening off your seedlings. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Now, if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. My name is Ayana of Ayana Plants, where we teach new and beginner gardeners how to start, grow, and maintain a successful garden. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure you tap the bell so that you can stay updated with all of our gardening tips and tricks. So first, let's talk about what is hardening off. So I just want to keep it really simple. Hardening off is the process of gradually introducing your indoor grown or greenhouse seedlings to the outdoor environment. So you might ask next, why is this step so important? So let's break it down. So plants grown inside or even in a greenhouse, they're in stable conditions. They're getting consistent temperatures. They're not getting any wind. They're getting their block of light from the grow lights or even from sunlight. And so when you move them directly outdoors, it shocks them. They can get wilted, they can burn, or they can even check out because they like, okay, this too much, too fast. So to put things in perspective, just think about it. When you're inside for several days with whatever your thermostat is set to indoors, and then all of a sudden the temperature drops to 13 and you get pushed outside, you don't have on no hat, no coat, you just got on like t-shirts and a short. So hardening off, it helps your plant adjust to the harsher conditions outside, like the direct sunlight, the different winds that's coming, all type of environmental things. So sometimes when you skip this process, it could be detrimental to the plants because it is quite a shock. It's a shock to the plants. And I'm not saying that all plants are going to check out on us, but again, it's definitely going to be a shock to them. So hardening off kind of helps the plant cell structure strengthen, and it also reduces transplant shock. It's like a smooth transition to the garden. So let's talk about how you can successfully harden off your plants. And it's all about timing and patience, because I'm going to share with you my process, but I want you to determine what works for you and what works best for your plants, because all plants are different and some of the times may vary. So my normal process is about 7 to 10 days, but again, that can vary. If I find that it's like going to be a lot of rain over the next few days, I won't take them out. Or if the temperatures drop drastically, then I also won't bring them out for that day too. So it's just over a span, and it can be a little bit more than 10 days. But I just want to take them out and just get them ready. So on the first day, I place my plants outside in a shaded, protected area, normally about 2 to 3 days. That's what we're going to start off with. And so in my case, I put it on the front porch. It's covered. It gets morning sun. But each day, I'm going to start to increase the time that my plants stay outside, and I'm also going to increase the sunlight exposure. So I'm going to start moving them closer and closer to where they're eventually going to be. Again, I'm going to keep an eye on the weather. Anything that's extreme, I won't take them out that day, but I also reduce watering just a little bit because it kind of helps strengthen the plants. And then towards the end, I will start leaving them like nighttime. I'll put them out overnight, really where they're going to be, if the temperatures permit that. So just remember that every plant is different, and you have to journal and you have to record this and adjust it, according to what's working for you. So you want to get your plants off to a good start in the garden. You want to be patient. Make sure you're checking your plants to see if they're thriving. And so if you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let us know your experiences with hardening off below. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead, tap the subscribe button, and make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video.